Hi guys, you are watching MA Tutorials. To create Peter England logo, open a new common artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle with width and height 805 and 453 pixels. Then align rectangle to center. Once again draw a rectangle with width and height 641 and 347 pixels. Then align rectangle to center. Select the rectangular grid tool from the toolbar and click it on the artboard. Then change its width and height by 539 and 251 pixels, vertical dividers to 1, and click OK. Then align rectangle to center. Then select the shape builder tool and draw it on left side of the rectangle. Then select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle with width and height 475 and 128 pixels. Then align rectangle to center. Then add these color codes to the respective rectangles. Then go to stroke and change its color to white and points to 3 points. Select the type tool and type the text Peter England. Then go to fill and change its color to white, font to Futura Medium, font link and description. Font size to 58 points. Then align the text to center. And there we go, that wraps up the video. If you need logos for website and companies, order link in description. You can order there. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you next time.